design or review my favorite object. Let's go start video. My favorite item is Converse shoes, an original item product by an American shoes company whose main product consists of lifestyle brand type footwear. The shoes are made of canvas and synthetic leather, equipped with rubber soles so they feel comfortable when worn. In the manufacture of the shoes, quality materials are conscious so that the shoes are durable and not easily damaged. There are various colors of Converse shoes, but I prefer black and white because they match with any color outfit, and black and white is also multifunctional. It can be used for work or campus events. Converse shoes are said to follow the contours of the foot for comfort. The toes on the shoes are round inside, which gives a comfortable effect on the feet, especially those with wide feet. Interestingly, this type of Converse has an anti-slip concept and is equipped with a rubber sole. Then the medial eyelets are designed to increase airflow into the shoe. Converse shoes come in many sizes. The smaller the size you are looking for, the more expensive they will be. Here I'm wearing a size 38 Converse shoe. Its use is definitely the same as shoes in general, but Converse shoes have the advantage of being comfortable. To wear Converse is a canvas shoe with a rubber base with simple legs, so it is very comfortable to wear. Despite being used every day in a variety of conditions, Converse shoes never lost their comfort. These shoes are extremely durable, come in a variety of colors and patterns, and Converse shoes are very versatile when it comes to fashion. Quite affordable, especially when viewed in terms of quality and durability. Every shoe has flashed. The design typeface of the shoe itself are the opposite in terms of weight. Converse shoes are made of a lot of rubber, which makes them heavier than other shoes, making them unsuitable for running shoes. The soles at Converse have a firm, clear texture. The price is arguably pocket-friendly because of the superior class shoes, but it has a pocket-friendly price. You don't need to save for a very long time because there are various choices of Converse All-Star at very affordable price. The opportunities and strengths that Converse shoes have. Growth in online shopping. More and more people are choosing to shop online today, and to shopping is becoming more frequent, mainly because of convenience. This makes the company focus more on the website, as it also helps them reduce distribution costs. There are faced by Converse from competition. The company always faces serious threats from Nike, Puma, New Balance, Adidas, and Reebok, and counterfeit. There are many brands that are counterfeit versions of the original and sell for half their price. This causes serious problems in the sales and distribution of the original brand. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.